So this is the second day of my Thailand, and I just take a break of this cafe and take a coffee. So like I'm waiting for like 2-3 hours, but I did not find any bus, a taxi, a lift. I think, you know, travel in Thailand is a little bit of difficult because people don't understand the English. They understand only Thai, and even I don't understand the Thai. I know English also. So that's the main reason we cannot connect them. So maybe it's taking time. So where can I put this bag? Okay. He is very kind. He is very, very kind. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, done. Yeah. Thank you. So, what's the name?
John.
John. Yeah.
50.
Yeah. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. Waiting like 2.5 hours, but finally I'm getting a lift here. I'm going to Don Mueang. So how far from Don Mueang to Laos? Laos? Yeah?
International à?
Okay. Is the same highway? Same.
No highway.
No highway. So I think he's going to Don Mueang, so he give me a lift. So I said thank you so much, and he's very kind and very generous, John. So I reach in like 1 hour, and from Don Mueang then again I'm going to hitchhiking for Laos. So let's see how much time it will take from Don Mueang to Laos. So this journey is continuing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Photo.
Yeah. Sure. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, John. Thank you so much. Appreciate, man. Thank you so much. Bye. That's a quickest and safest ideas, because in Thailand it's very difficult. If you come to Thailand and you think that you have to get a lift, but it's not possible. It's very difficult because you know they did not give a lift. They are so busy, and so that's the reason I couldn't get a lift. I walk like boarded a train from there, and And the next thing or second thing is foreign. I'm a foreigner, so they can't trust to foreigner easily. So it's like Thailand to Laos is like 1000 kilometers, and I'm starting like yesterday. I'm just completed 900 kilometers, like 100 kilometers. But I can't, I can't rely on lift for hitchhiking. It will take like 1 month, but I don't have a time. My time is very short time in a short period, so I think I couldn't find another way as a train. So I just find out the train station where I can book my train for Laos, because it's a long land border crossing. So there is a reason. But anyhow, because now it's like 5:30, I don't know the time, exact time. Where is the timetable of train? So I'll just reach there and just find out what is the time of train. Oh, because I assume that it's a bit of difficult, because I'm a foreigner and they cannot trust to a foreigner. Yeah, it's the same. Like if Indian, we cannot trust for other foreigners. So it's a bit of the same thing. But I can surprise how they drive so fast. See, they're so fast. I mean, Activa and Scooty, there are like 100 kilometers, and they are, if the signal is green, they don't see here and there, just boom, boom, boom. So this kind of 100 kilometers, no more than 100 kilometers speed. How fast is it? So I think I am just arrived at train station, and for there I am getting a train and going to Laos. So that's the update, because now it's like 5:30. So I'm just shut down or just stop walking or anything. Just find a timetable of a train and just board it from there to Laos. That is the thing. But you can see in my video how fast it drives. They are just, they are just like more than 100 speed. In India, we can drive only in highway, but in Thailand, if you have a bike or Activa. So guys, plan is cancelled and I'm going to Laos by train, and I'm now queue to Laos because it's difficult to hitchhiking in Thailand. So don't try hitchhiking in Thailand. So I'm follow the process. This is the train. Thank you. So this is a train ticket, and I'm going to Laos, a new country, and let's see if I get a visa or not. Wow, it's great. Can you tell me
เป็นรถปรับอากาศ
which five?
ไฟ 5. Number 6.
6
6.
and 5. Okay, thank you. So this is the train platform, and it will reach Laos like tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning 8 o'clock. So train will be reached, and then I'll get down from station, then immigration happen, then again train. I pick up the train. So in this way, the whole journey is difficult. See how the view.
บำเพ็ญตะลงจตุรัสบ้านเรือนโบใหญ่หนองโบราณเมืองพลบ้านไผ่ขอนแก่นโพเขาสวนกว่าโดนสะอาดเพื่อเพิ่มคงระวาปีด้วยสัมภาษณ์ที่ดอนนาดีหนองคลายปลายนาคำสว่างรู้เรื่องกัน
Number 5.
5.
This one.
No.
This one.
Yes.
Where should mention? 5. This one. 5. So guys, ये है Thailand to Laos का train. This is a 5, right? Bogie number 5. So bogie number 5, right?
เขาถามหาที่นั่งเลยนัมเบอร์
Number, yeah. 5. I'll show you. Yeah.
ตาก็มองไม่เห็นเนี่ยบัดนี้
Car 5, seat 5. This one. Window. Okay. Thank you. So it is like I will give you a train tour. The train is on time. It's 9:30, and its arrival at 9:30, and departure at 9:40. So on time train. And it's neat and clean. If you see, it's very neat and clean, and all thing is organized. I'll shoot it. I'll shoot the whole picture and all scenario. So guys, this is a Highland train. So here is like 73, 74. This is like third class train which I travel, but it's very neat and clean. If you see, it's everything polish, everything so clean. So there is a wash basin here. There is the window. There's the next compartment. Hi. Next compartment. There's the next compartment. Everything is organized and very neat and clean. You see, there is no dust. There is no dust. Everything neat and clean, and so organized. Everywhere there is light. There is a okay, yeah. This is one thing. There is no charging machine here. Yeah, the charging is not in third class, not available in third class. But everything will be same. Yeah.
Hi, say hi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Not in
Hi
the
there,
mood.
hi there. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Are you angry?
Bye-bye.
Don't shoot.
Bye.
Okay, I'm not shooting. You're a good girl. You're a brave girl. Bye. A person is very kind, very generous, and he just give me a water, just give me a food. He is or she is also very kind, and she helped me a lot. So whenever you come any Nong Khai, just get down the station and just visit this place. So she is thank you so much, and thank you.
E coffee
Thank
more.
you.
Yes, black coffee.
Oh,
Coffee.
she is very kind. Very. Thank you, John. You have to say something.
Say hello. Say hi.
Thank you, John. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, John. I'm very
Okay.
grateful to you. Thank you so much.
Good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome to people India. Come Thailand.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Come to India and just call me. I'm there with
Yeah.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Good luck.
Bye. Thank you. She is a very kind woman. She giving me a lift. We'll go for 7-Eleven. Thank you so much. You are very kind-hearted. What's the name?
You want to walk? Go now.
Walk.
No, I want to take you. Go back and
Okay. Thank you.
and
Thank you so
go
much.
back. And if you see 7 already, you go.
Fine. Thank you. So you were staying here?
Yeah, I stay Nong Khai. Yeah.
Okay. So this is Nong Khai City.
Not big, small.
Okay.
Small. You have 7 now.
Yeah, 7-Eleven. The lady says the 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is. Oh yeah, 7-Eleven. There is a ATM.